Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that everyone talks about, passive income. We've all heard stories of people making money while they sleep, but is it really possible, especially in the USA? And this video will be breaking down what passive income really is, how it works, and whether it's something you can actually achieve. We'll also bust some common myths and explore the truth behind building sustainable passive income streams. So if you're curious about how to start earning money with minimal effort, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get into it. Introduction to passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement after an initial investment of time, money, or effort. Unlike active income, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income allows you to generate revenue without having to constantly work for it. The key idea behind passive income is to set up income streams that continue to flow over time, even when you're not directly involved. Common forms of passive income include real estate investments, dividend stocks, royalties from creative works, books, music, or creating digital products such as online courses or ebooks. For instance, real estate investors earn rental income with little day-to-day involvement after purchasing and managing a property. Similarly, YouTube creators, after creating content, can earn money through ads and views on their videos. While passive income is often associated with financial freedom and wealth building, it's important to note that it requires significant upfront effort, planning, and sometimes even capital. Building a strong passive income stream can take years of consistent effort before it becomes truly hands-off. In summary, passive income offers a way to earn money while you sleep, but it's not entirely effortless. It's about setting up systems that generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Is passive income really a thing? Yes, passive income is a real concept, but it's not as simple as many people make it out to be. In essence, passive income refers to money you earn with little to no active involvement after the initial effort. The idea sounds appealing, earning money while you sleep. But the reality is that building truly passive income requires time, effort, and often upfront investment. In the USA, many people generate passive income through methods like rental properties, dividend stocks, or online businesses. For example, real estate investors earn passive income through rental properties where they receive monthly payments without having to work every day. Similarly, those who invest in dividend-paying stocks receive income from the companies they've invested in. However, it's important to acknowledge that passive income isn't a get-rich-quick solution. It requires long-term planning and patience. You might have to spend years building a business, creating digital products, or managing investments before you start seeing substantial returns. Moreover, passive income streams can be affected by market fluctuations, maintenance costs, and changing trends. In conclusion, while passive income is absolutely a real thing, it requires careful strategy, persistence, and sometimes significant capital to get started. Reality versus myth. When it comes to passive income, there's a big difference between reality and myth. The myth is that passive income is effortless and you can start making money instantly without much work. Many people imagine that once they set up a passive income stream, the money just rolls in with no ongoing effort. In reality, it takes significant upfront work, strategy, and often financial investment to build a reliable passive income source. For example, creating a successful YouTube channel or writing a best-selling book takes a lot of time and effort before you start seeing any revenue. On the reality side, passive income is very much achievable, but it requires long-term planning and patience. Whether it's through real estate, dividend stocks, or creating digital products, building an income stream that earns you money passively is a gradual process. Even after the initial work, you may need to monitor and adjust your investments or businesses to keep the income flowing. Moreover, passive income often comes with risks like market fluctuations, property management issues, or changes in consumer behavior. So While passive income is possible, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and be prepared for the work involved. Risk factors. While passive income offers great potential, it also comes with several risk factors. One major risk is market volatility. Whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, market fluctuations can affect your income. For example, the stock market can experience downturns leading to a drop in dividends or capital gains. Another risk is lack of liquidity. Investments like real estate may take time to sell or generate cash flow, meaning you might not be able to access your money quickly when needed. Similarly, some passive income streams like creating an online course or writing a book might not yield the expected returns if there's low demand. Maintenance costs are another risk, especially in real estate. Properties require upkeep, and if tenants don't pay or if there are vacancies, income can be disrupted. Lastly, regulatory changes or changes in market conditions can impact passive income strategies, requiring you to adapt to new circumstances. Always be prepared and plan for these risks. Success stories and examples. There are many success stories that show passive income is not just a myth, especially in the USA. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He built his wealth by investing in dividend-paying stocks, allowing him to earn a steady income without having to actively work for it. Buffett's long-term investment strategy is a perfect example of passive income in action. His investments generate returns year after year with minimal involvement. Another example is real estate investors who create passive income by owning rental properties. People like Brandon Turner, an expert in real estate investing, have built massive portfolios of rental properties that generate monthly cash flow without constant effort. Once the properties are set up and tenants are in place, these investors earn passive income through rent payments. Pat Flynn, a popular online entrepreneur, is another great example. He made his first passive income through affiliate marketing on his blog. Over time, he built digital products and courses that continue to generate income, even when he's not actively promoting them. These success stories show that while passive income requires effort and strategy up front, it is absolutely possible to create income streams that earn money over time with minimal ongoing effort. That's all for today's video. I hope it helped clear up the myths around passive income and gave you some insights into how to start building your own streams. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you next time.